Hello friends, today I will tell you about couple of things that you have to keep in mind so that you can take care of your cycle in monsoons. In monsoons in India, they are actually they just pour, and especially some part of India, it's really they rain like anything. So how to actually take care of your bike during this monsoon? So let's go straight to that, and don't miss the video till the end because there are a couple of points that you might not have even thought of. So first thing first, try to avoid flooded areas. See, you can be riding in a place where you know the terrain very well. You know where is the pothole, where is the open manhole or something like that. Uh, Still, even if you know the area like back of your palm, when it is flooded, you will never know that exactly at which place the pothole is, exactly at which place the main hole is, and in the worst scenario it is possible suddenly you will be woof, you are gone from the road because you are gone in the main hole. Especially we come across this kind of news many times during monsoon, and this is really very disturbing. So avoid a flooded area like anything. The second important thing is about the tire pressure. So what happens that why you don't fall when you are riding the bike? Because first you have a momentum that keeps you going forward, and second there is a friction between your bike tire and the road, and that friction actually helps you staying on wheels rather than falling down. See, this is the tire. This way the tire surface goes, and then it comes into contact with the road. So what happens that during rains this tire is wet as well as the surface is wet, so the friction between these two surface decreases. So what should you do? You should decrease the tire pressure by couple of psi, so that when you are decreasing the tire pressure, the tire will deflate like this, and the surface area under contact will increase with the road. So it will increase the friction and you will be riding safer. So I have decreased this tire pressure for my bike by about 3 to 5 point between both the tires. So earlier I used to keep around 50 on the front tire. Now I am keeping it around 45. The rear tire I used to keep around 61 something. Now I am using about 55 to 56. So the next important thing is that you must keep the drivetrain clean. So what is the drivetrain? All this part that is moving here, that is the drivetrain part. So see what can be the problem. The dirt and grime and the water can actually make this very dirty, and then when you are shifting the gears you will find it problematic, and in worst scenario actually these part may get rusted also. So you must avoid that. See, I didn't drive my cycle for a couple of days and see what has happened. See here. So anything can happen during monsoon. So make sure that you clean these, lubricate them. It's important. Next thing that you should remember while riding in monsoon is this: you must apply these mud guards or fenders in your cycle. Many times we want to give it a feel of a sports cycle or something and ride without these mud guards, and some people claim it looks better without mud guard, but then this is individual preference. But during monsoon you must keep this, otherwise just imagine that what will happen to your cloth when all these splash will come to you. So just use it. You should try to keep your cycle as dry as possible. First, avoid riding when it is raining, though especially these electric bikes, though Electro claims that it is waterproof, but I will say it is water resistant. So don't take a chance and avoid riding in rains, especially if the water can reach this controller point, then that will be problematic. So long as you are keeping it safe, then this is fine, but if water reaches this controller point or if you are in a flooded area where this BLDC motor itself, rear hub motor itself gets submerged, then definitely you are going to be in trouble. So avoid that time. Another important point that our Hero Electro dealer Mr. Murli actually told me, and this I felt this is important to know. You see that from here the controller wire is I hope you can see this, that the controller wire, this wire is coming from here and this is reaching towards the motor from here. Just ensure that this wiring is tight, it's not loosened and it's not touching the body of the cycle from any side, otherwise they may get cut and then you may be in trouble. So ensure that this problem you actually keep it at bay. So have an eye on them also. Another important point is about the suspension. If your cycle has suspension, like my C8 has suspension, so keep the suspension clean. Otherwise, if dirt and grime is here, then it may affect the life of the suspension. So these were a couple of points about the cycle, how to keep it safe during monsoon. So hope you liked it. Let me know if you want to know anything more.